Good afternoon. This is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. Coming to you today with a brand new listing we have over at 21 Hitchcock Street, unit number 2. We actually have 2 units available at this property currently, unit 2 and unit 3. Gonna start the tour off with the 3-season porch here. Real nice, been freshly painted throughout, so be a nice little area to have your coffee in the morning, maybe put a little breakfast table, a couple chairs before you start your day, but a real nice little room right here. And you could also use it for storage or whatever you might want, but just a nice little additional room to the apartment. And that is private, so that you're the only one that has access to it. And then you come into the unit. As you can see, we have the living room right here. Easily could fit a nice couch, probably a TV on the wall, maybe a love seat, coffee table, something along those lines. I got some nice built-ins over here for some additional storage. To the left is, this would probably be considered the family room. This door goes back out to the common area, so it is not a closet, but you could definitely use this as a bedroom if you wanted as well to make it a true 4-bedroom. You can see it has its own mini split for some AC and heat in this unit. It does have the steam radiator. That's a cover for the steam radiator right there. But brand new floor. This unit has lots of brand new floors as well as been freshly painted throughout. Continuing the tour, we will head into bedroom number 1. Once again, it's got the new kind of gray tone, like beech wood, really cool looking. But this room easily fit a king-size bed, a couple dressers, a nightstand. It's got this really cool drop ceiling tile effect. It's got a ceiling fan as well. Steam heater for your heat. And then a nice closet for your storage needs. Like a lot of these, this is a pretty common floor plan that we see here in Worcester. There's actually 2 doors to the bedroom. This is just gonna take us out to the kitchen, whereas this takes you back out to the living room on that other one. So continuing the tour into the kitchen. This is a Galley style kitchen. We got the fridge, we got the gas 4-burner stove right here. Could probably fit a nice little rectangle-ish table right here with maybe like 4 to 6 chairs, no problem. We have the mini split in here as well, so real convenient. You do have some additional storage capacity as well. Continuing the tour with the kitchen for the Galley style. The sink and all your cabinets are in here. You can see this is an old style, but really cool looking sink. It was just freshly reglazed, so works fantastic. Freshly painted, no dings, no marks in it. But just a cool little Galley kitchen as well. Continuing, we'll go into the bathroom, which is right off the kitchen. You can see we got the clawfoot tub, vanity, medicine cabinet, some additional storage right there, toilet, some additional storage right here. It's got the newer flooring as well. And then we got the dark gray on the chair rail, and then the white paint above it. So good sized bathroom, plenty of storage. Continuing the tour into bedroom number 3. This room is slightly smaller than the first bedroom. I would say you could easily fit a queen size bed in here with a couple dressers and nightstand. You could get a king size in here. It would be a little tight, so that's why I would personally stick with the queen size bed or a double. But you do have a good sized walk-in closet for all your storage needs as well. Got the baseboard heat. Once again, got the newer flooring, steam heat with the cover. So a nice bedroom. This is going to be the back door entrance. You got closet. Basically, could use this area as a mudroom if you were to come up the back door. Do have a spot for basically like a coat closet, and then out the door as well. This door leads to the stairwell, And then this gives you that common back storage room that you often see here in Worcester. So nice additional storage area. You could definitely put some bikes, stuff like that that's gonna be kind of seasonal in there. This back hallway's been freshly repainted as well throughout. Gray, basically the same color as the front porch area. But nice additional feature to the overall unit. And lastly, we're gonna head into bedroom number 3, which is off of the kitchen as well. And I would say this room's probably the same size as the first bedroom. You easily fit like a king size bed. We got the ceiling fan again. We got the cool ceiling tiles. We got the newer luxury vinyl tile floor, steam heat, but easily can fit a king size bed in here, probably a TV on the wall, a couple nightstands, and a dresser. You got your electric baseboard heater there. And then closet's got some built-in shelves. You still do have a clothes rack right there for hanging needs, but good additional storage space in here. So once again, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. If you are interested in this unit, please contact our leasing department at 508-687-3001, and you will want extension number 3 for the leasing team. You can also check out our additional listings on our website. Our website address is nexuswor.com. That's nexuswor.com. And thank you very much. And once again, this is 21 Hitchcock Street, unit number 2. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.